When it comes to earning money on YouTube, many creators immediately think of AdSense, the built-in advertising revenue system provided by YouTube's partner program. While AdSense can be a significant source of income for many channels, it's far from the only way to turn your content and community into a steady stream of earnings. In fact, the most successful YouTubers combine several different revenue streams, creating a diversified and resilient income model that goes well beyond the basics of ad revenue. Let's explore these opportunities in detail so you can understand which ones might be right for your channel, your audience, and your creative ambitions. The first alternative to traditional ad revenue is channel memberships. Once your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and meets YouTube's eligibility requirements, you can offer memberships to your viewers. These are monthly subscriptions, where fans pay a recurring fee in exchange for special perks. These perks might include custom badges that appear next to their name in comments and chats, exclusive emojis for use in live chats, and even access to members-only videos, live streams, or community posts. Channel memberships are a fantastic way to foster a sense of belonging among your most dedicated fans while generating consistent, predictable income each month. For creators who live stream, YouTube offers additional features like Super Chat and Super Stickers. During a live broadcast, viewers can pay to have their messages or animated stickers highlighted in the chat stream. This not only gives fans a chance to stand out in a crowded chat, but it also gives you, the creator, a real-time way to earn money as you interact with your audience. Super Chats and Super Stickers can be especially lucrative during high-energy live streams. Think Q&A sessions, gaming marathons, or special events, where your audience is eager to participate and support your work. But YouTube's monetization toolkit doesn't stop there. With the introduction of Super Thanks, your viewers can now tip you directly on uploaded videos, not just during live broadcasts. This feature allows fans to express appreciation for your content at any time, turning individual videos into ongoing opportunities for support. Once you enable monetization on your channel, Super Thanks is another way to generate revenue from your existing content library. Beyond direct contributions, many creators leverage the YouTube shopping and merch shelf features to sell branded merchandise. If you have a loyal fan base, there's a good chance they'd love to show their support by buying t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or other items featuring your logo, catchphrases, or channel artwork. YouTube integrates directly with platforms like Spring, formerly Teespring, Shopify, and others, making it easy to display your products right below your videos. Not only does this provide an additional income stream, but it also helps build your brand's presence both on and off the platform. One of the most lucrative opportunities for established creators is brand deals and sponsorships. Companies are often eager to tap into the influence and trust you've built with your audience. Whether you're reviewing products, unboxing the latest gadgets, demonstrating beauty routines, or sharing financial advice, there's likely a brand interested in reaching your viewers. Sponsorship deals can pay significantly more than AdSense, especially in high-value niches like technology, finance, or beauty. You can negotiate deals directly or go through platforms like FameBit, now YouTube Brand Connect, Grapevine, or Influicity, which connect creators with brands looking for sponsorship opportunities. When considering sponsorships, always be transparent with your audience and choose partnerships that align with your values and that you can authentically endorse. Affiliate marketing offers another powerful way to monetize your influence. By partnering with companies, often through networks like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, or Impact Radius, you can promote products or services using custom affiliate links. Every time a viewer clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. This strategy works especially well if you frequently recommend gear, tools, or software in your videos. For example, tech reviewers can link to the cameras and microphones they use, while beauty creators can share their favorite makeup products. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to provide honest, helpful recommendations that genuinely benefit your audience. For many creators, YouTube is also a springboard for launching their own educational products, such as online courses or ebooks. If you have expertise to share, whether it's in music, cooking, coding, or personal development, you can create in-depth learning materials and promote them to your audience. Platforms like Gumroad, Teachable, and Udemy make it easy to host and sell your courses directly. This approach allows you to monetize your knowledge and skills and creates the potential for passive income as your content continues to sell over time. Crowdfunding and fan support are increasingly popular options for creators who want to keep their content free and accessible while still earning a living. Platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, and Ko-fi allow your viewers to support you directly, either with one-time contributions or monthly pledges. In return, you can offer supporters exclusive content, early access to new videos, behind-the-scenes updates, or other rewards. Crowdfunding is about building a community of superfans who believe in your work and want to help sustain it, giving you creative freedom and financial stability. If you have a specialized skill, such as video editing, voiceover work, coaching, or consulting, your YouTube channel can also serve as a powerful portfolio. By demonstrating your expertise and sharing your process, you can attract clients interested in hiring you for freelance work or professional services. Simply include links in your video descriptions or channel banner to your website, booking page, or contact information. Many creators find that their biggest business opportunities begin with a simple demonstration of their talents on YouTube. Another often overlooked monetization method is licensing your content. If you create viral clips, unique footage, or high-quality B-roll, media outlets, production companies, or advertisers may want to license your videos for their own use. Companies like Jukin Media and Storyful specialize in helping creators license their content, handle negotiations, and ensure you get paid when others use your work. Licensing can turn a single viral moment into a long-term revenue source. With the explosive growth of short-form video, YouTube introduced the Shorts Fund and bonus programs, which reward creators whose short videos perform exceptionally well. These bonuses are a way for YouTube to encourage creative experimentation with shorts, and they provide an additional way to earn money, especially for creators just starting out or those who specialize in short, engaging content. Eventually, YouTube plans to shift Shorts monetization to a revenue-sharing model similar to traditional videos, opening up even more possibilities for creators. Some creators take things a step further by developing their own paid courses or membership sites outside of YouTube. By using your channel as a funnel, you can direct interested viewers to a subscription-based learning platform or community you control. This approach gives you full ownership over your content, your branding, and your customer relationships, allowing you to build a sustainable business that isn't dependent on any one platform. What sets the top YouTubers apart isn't just their creativity or production skills. It's their ability to combine multiple income streams into a cohesive business model. For example, a creator might earn foundational revenue from AdSense, supplement it with merch sales, boost earnings with brand deals, and round it all out with affiliate commissions and crowdfunding support. This diversification protects against changes in YouTube's algorithms, advertiser demand, or policy shifts, ensuring a more stable income, even as the online landscape evolves. If you're looking to maximize your earnings on YouTube, here are a few strategies to keep in mind. First, know your audience. The more you understand who watches your videos, what they value, and what problems you can help them solve, the easier it is to choose monetization methods that fit naturally with your content. For example, a channel about fitness might succeed with affiliate links to workout gear, online coaching services, and branded water bottles, while a gaming channel might focus on memberships, super chats, and sponsorships from hardware companies. Second, don't be afraid to experiment. Not every monetization method will work for every channel or audience. Try different approaches, measure the results, and listen to feedback from your viewers. Over time, you'll discover what resonates and what doesn't, and you'll be able to double down on the strategies that produce the best results. Third, always put your audience first. The most successful creators build trust by being transparent about sponsorships, only recommending products they truly believe in and offering real value. Whether it's entertainment, education, inspiration, or community. When your viewers feel respected and appreciated, they're more likely to support you in whatever ways you offer. Finally, think long-term. Building a thriving YouTube business takes time, patience, and persistence. As you grow, continue to look for new opportunities, stay up to date with the latest platform features, and focus on building strong relationships with your audience and with potential partners. In today's digital world, YouTube offers more opportunities than ever to turn your passion into a profession. By exploring the wide range of monetization methods available, from memberships and merch to sponsorships, affiliates, and beyond, you can create a sustainable income that reflects your unique talents, connects you with a global audience, and gives you the freedom to keep creating what you love.